prices continue to be strong and buyers continue to compete against one another, especially in certain price points. It's Friday, May 3rd, 2024, and there are lots of free events happening around town, like the first Sunday Arts Festival on West Street and the Friday Summer Concert Series at the Annapolis Town Center. Or you can go to the Maryland Fiesta Latina Festival at the County Fairgrounds. Check out our event happenings on our website for more details. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Inventory in Annapolis is rising again, though not quickly, and homes are going under contract quickly. There are now 116 homes for sale, with 34 that hit the market over the past week, and another 32 are due on the market soon. 30 homes went under contract in 5 median days since last report. 35 homes sold in 6 days at 100% list-to-sold ratio. All this data indicates that it's still a very strong seller's market. There are currently 28 rentals available at $3,150 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 3rd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Let me know what you'd like to know. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.